Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Choose a domain name that matches your brand and is under 20 characters when possible. Pick a domain registrar and check renewal fees. Typical renewal runs 0 to 0 per year. Budget for hosting. Expect to 5 per month for shared plans and 0 plus for managed services, and choose between shared, VPS, or managed hosting. Decide on a CMS like WordPress, Shopify, or a static site generator before designing pages, because the CMS determines templates, plugins, and deployment workflow. Create a sitemap with primary pages: home, about, services, contact, blog, and privacy policy to organize navigation. Design responsive layouts with a 16:9 hero image, readable fonts, and clear calls to action. Write SEO titles and meta descriptions under 60 and 160 characters, respectively, for each page, and include structured data for articles or products. Optimize images to 100 to 200 KB, and use alt text with target keywords for accessibility, performance, and better search rankings. Set up analytics and track events. Install Google Analytics or an alternative before launch so you capture initial traffic. Test site speed with tools, fix render blocking resources, and set cache headers to improve load times. Implement automated backups daily or weekly depending on content change frequency and risk, and create a rollback plan. Apply HTTPS with a TLS certificate and renew it annually, or use auto-renewal with Let's Encrypt. Then submit sitemaps to search consoles and monitor uptime and security alerts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.